Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop or prevent Google Chrome from running background apps when it is closed. I show you us how to do it. Just need to open up Chrome and now click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side you just need to select the system. On right side you just need to disable this option guys. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You just need to turn it off. This will prevent background apps from running when Google Chrome is closed. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.